LAN segmentation. Virtual LAN, VLAN. Network segmentation. Segmenting is the process of separating certain portions of network traffic, either for performance, security, reliability, logical or geographical organization. Devices used for network segmentation. Switch, router. Segmenting using routers. We have seen the use of routers for segmenting local networks, dividing an enterprise network into different departments. Limitations. All devices on that subnet must be connected to the same switch, and that switch must be connected to a port on the router. What if users on a network are connected to different switches? Switches. Switches are data link layer devices that enable multiple physical LAN segments to be interconnected into a single larger network. Switches forward and flood traffic based on MAC addresses. MAC addresses are mapped to switch ports. Because switching is performed in hardware instead of in software, however, it is significantly faster. Segmentation using switches. LAN switching employs micro-segmentation within switch hardware, which segments the LAN. Switches usually allows multiple conversations, traffic between two ports, to occur simultaneously. Limitation with switches. Switches do not break up broadcast domains, meaning that if a device sends a broadcast, all devices connected to that switch must listen. Remind, to break up broadcast domains, we have traditionally used routers. Virtual LANs are a way to break up broadcast domains in a Layer 2 switch networks. VLANs. VLANs logically segment switched networks based on an organization's functions, project teams, or applications as opposed to a physical or geographical basis. VLAN is a broadcast domain group based on logical function, department or application. 20% to 40% of workforce moves every year. Recabling, readdressing and reconfiguration. Traffic can be switched between VLANs with the router. LAN versus VLAN. When should you need a VLAN? You have more than 200 devices on your LAN. You have a lot of broadcast traffic on your LAN. Groups of users need more security or are being slowed down by too many broadcasts. Groups of users need to be on the same broadcast domain because they are running the same applications. VLAN configuration. Static VLANs assign ports to VLAN 2. Enter the following commands to add ports 07 to 09 to VLAN 2. Switch _b hash configure terminal. Switch _b hash VLAN 2 name sales. Switch _b config hashtag interface fast Ethernet 07. Switch _b config if hashtag switchboard mode access. Switch _b config if hashtag switchboard access VLAN 2. Assign ports on VLAN 3. Switch _b hash configure terminal. Switch _b hash VLAN 3 name admin. Switch _b config hashtag interface fast Ethernet 010. Switch _b config if hashtag switchboard mode access. Switch _b config if hashtag switchboard access VLAN 3. Configure VLANs on the switches in a converged network topology. Graphic 3.3.1.1. Role of trunking VLANs in a converged network. How to communicate between hosts on a VLAN spread over different switches. Trunk ports are created between switches to enable inter-switch communication. Basic Ethernet frame is modified to include VLAN ID to which it belongs. Frames are encapsulated. ISL, inter-switch link, Cisco proprietary. 802.1q, IEEE standard. Use graphic 3.2.2.1.